So find the EAR in each of the following cases. So there are two types of rates. There are two types of rates that you'll see. You'll see your APR, which is your annual percentage rate, and you'll see your EAR, which is your effective annual rate. So annual percentage rate, effective annual rate. The one that you'll see on all the advertisements is always going to be your APR. So you'll see TV ads offering to give you financing or give you credit card or give you anything. It's always going to just show you the APR. The reason why is because it's going to be the smaller rate. It's going to look more enticing to you if you're taking out loans. But the EAR is what you'll actually receive. And so what this is after all the compounding, how much would you pay in a rate? So for instance, if you were to take out a $1,000 loan at 9% quarterly, can you expect to pay back or to pay $90 in interest in that year? Or do you expect to pay more? You're going to pay more because it's going to compound each quarter. So you're going to start paying interest on your interest. So let's say you did $92. Well, then your effective rate wouldn't be 9%, it'd be 9.2. So this is what it is after all the compoundings, essentially. We're going to use two formulas to do this. The one here is found on your formula sheet, and it can be rewritten as EAR equals 1 plus APR over n to the power of n minus 1. Now in this formula sheet, they use the quoted rate, that's APR, and they use M, which we had learned as N. So again, I'm just making those changes here to make it nice and easy. And then once we get to infinite, we have a new rate, or a new formula, the one right below it with this E right here. So that's for infinite. So let's try it for the first one. EAR equals 1 plus 9% divided by 4 to the power of 4 minus 1. .09 divided by 4 plus 1 to the power of 4 minus 1, and we get an EAR of 0.09308, or an effective rate of 9.3%. So here we've got 1 plus 0.18 divided by 12 to the power of 12 minus 1. So we can go ahead and try that one out. So 0.18 divided by 12 plus 1 to the power of 12 minus 1, and we have 0.1956, or 19.56%, or 19.6%. On the third one, we've got 1 plus 0.14 over 365 to the power of 365 minus 1. So 0.14 divided by 365 plus 1 to the power of 365 minus 1, and we get 0.1502, or 15%. Now when we have infinite, we need to use a different formula. So we're going to use this one right here, this EAR equals EQ minus 1, whereas Q is going to be APR, so it's EAR, which equals E to the power of APR minus 1. And E is always going to be, so E is always equal to 2.718 28. So this will be given to you on the exam if you have to do this, which equals 2.71828 to the power of 0.11 minus 1. So if we
I'm sorry, I wasn't listening.
I'll just finish the video and then I'll tell you. 2.71828 to the power of 0.11. And we get 1.11627 minus 1. And we get an effective rate of 0.1163, or 11.63%.